Hello, my friends. I just wanted to extend a massive congratulations to everyone who completed the 7-day meditation challenge this week. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for sharing your valuable time and energy with me. Thank you for continually showing up no matter what happened when you sat down each day. Whether you got distracted 9 times out of 10 or you fell asleep every time, this is the practice, and you are now part of a very old and wise tradition. Now, if you want to keep your practice going, there are a few ways that you can do that. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel where I post a new video every week. I also teach a live community class every Sunday evening at 5 p.m. Pacific time. And lastly, for anyone who is really interested in meditation and curious about where this road might lead you, should you choose to follow, I also teach an in-depth 7-week mindfulness and meditation program called Become Club. I warmly invite you to learn more and join our community, and all these links are in my bio. All right, my dear, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'll see you again very soon.